Critical library mismatch involving the Rdpcorets.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. As we get into the manual process for Rdpcorets, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Rdpcorets, the Remote Desktop Protocol RDP Core Terminal Services Library. It manages the unmanaged localized orchestration of localized remote localized session data links and localized visual manifests. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like Rdpcorets.dll. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Rdpcorets component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Rdpcorets.dll from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing Rdpcorets and maintaining system stability. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Rdpcorets, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.